Hi, I'm Roman Kassa. I'm a neurologist, and I became interested in the field of neurology because I found it quite intriguing to study about the nervous system and how the brain works and the rest of the nervous system. My specific area of interest is multiple sclerosis. I also have interest in other inflammatory conditions affecting the brain and the spinal cord, such as neuromyelitis optica, Morg antibody disease, and autoimmune encephalitis. Multiple sclerosis really affects a wide variety of age. There is a peak age and specific population that we see it in, but we see a wide range of age with first diagnosis of multiple sclerosis in majority of the patients, and the patients that I see are adult patients. It's a big diagnosis, which is really life-changing. I'm quite passionate about carrying patients through the diagnosis process and then explaining what the disease pathogenesis, meaning how the disease occurs and what treatment options they have, and in shared decision making in finally coming up with a management plan for patients. I'm originally from a country from East Africa called Ethiopia. So that's where I was raised, and I also finished my medical school there. I worked as a general practitioner for a few years. Because of my interest in the field of neuroscience, I had the opportunity to do a PhD in Italy. After that, I worked for a few years as a postdoctoral fellow in the States, in Portland, Oregon. But because of my passion in clinical care, I decided to go back to clinical medicine and finished an adult neurology residency program at the University of Kentucky in neurology, following which I did a one-year fellowship in multiple sclerosis at Mayo Clinic in Rochester. And since then, I've been primarily dealing or treating, focusing on clinical care of patients with multiple sclerosis and other inflammatory related conditions affecting the brain and spinal cord. I like traveling quite a bit. I like hiking, music, reading, learning about different cultures, different languages, and spending time with my extended family.